It's May here at Dollar Tree, which means all new items, so let's go. Have you watched my new solar light DIY video? If so, there's so many new solar lights out right now. It's the perfect time to pick them up. You can definitely get your traditional lights. And check these out. These are solar hook lanterns and just $1.25. Here's another option for just $1.25. Dollar Tree also always puts out a Mother's Day section. There's several gift ideas and there's also home decor. In the Mother's Day section, they have several fun bath items. I thought this item was really cool. This is called a fillable bath brush. You can put shower gel and soap in there and use it in your bathtub. There's also a scalp massager. There's 3 different options for makeup sponges with cases. This is a little holder in here. These are fun too. You can get them to put your makeup sponge in and it can set out and dry. They have these cute little birds in 2 different colors. Dollar Tree brought back the same colorful organization that they had last year, and I'm thinking it's in the same colors. We have that hot pink, teal, and bright blue. In the summer party section, they have out some new fun beads this year. They have a lemon one, there's also watermelon and a flamingo. If you want to have a fruit themed party, you need to come to Dollar Tree. I spotted these fruit drink markers that are so cute. And then check out these little bowls. You have the watermelon, the lime, there's a pineapple, cute little pineapple plates. Love that. And then check this out, you guys, with the flip-flops. That comes in blue and pink. I just spotted these gorgeous placemats. I'm thinking DIY. Remember back in February when our planters came out at my store and I said, pick them up now because they're gonna go fast? Well, my store just keeps putting out more and more planters. So I don't know, maybe Dollar Tree is starting to carry more stuff throughout this season because they have extended our wall of planters. I just spotted some reusable bags for just $1.25 and there's so many different options here. Let me show you all the fun ones. This one is pretty large. It says make today amazing. There's also this one that says choose happiness. And then, oh, down here, we kind of have that same shape. This one, enjoy the little things. Gosh, there's so many options. They also have even larger ones over here, and these just come in a lot of fun prints. This one would make a really affordable beach bag or even a wet dry bag to keep in your car. Are you on Instagram? If you are, you need to be following me. I have 2 Instagram accounts. First, I have Liz Fenwick DIY, where I show you all the behind the scenes of the DIY channel, and I show you fun DIYs that you may not see here on YouTube. And I have Liz Fenwick Deals, where I show you the best deals on Amazon and all the stores online. Let's see what new items we can find in the Crafters Square. We need to look in this box. There's several little decorative boxes. I feel like they keep coming out with new options of these. They usually do a different design, but this one is pretty cool. These are great on their own. You can stain them or you can put several together to make organization. Dollar Tree also brought back their ceramic pieces that you can paint. Now, if you ever go to those ceramic painting places, these can be really expensive. I love to get these for my kids. We have a fun painting night, and then you can also get a spray to make it look like it's been glazed. I'm over here in our floral aisle, and usually I can count on the candle section for having a few new items, several new ones for summer. This candle holder I spotted, they have it in a cream. There's also a gray one and a black, and we've seen a white one at our other store. Another new item, this is ceramic. It's one of those where you can put a candle back here, but it has this really great wood grain to it. Last time I was shopping here at Dollar Tree, I picked up these candle holders. These are going to be in an upcoming DIY video. They very much look like something I saw on Anthropologie's website. Now, our other store had some new items in the candle section. Let me show you my favorites. I think these hooks are a great deal at $1.25. They have 3 different colors. There's this bronze one, there's also a blue and white. You could use these in your bathroom to hang up towels or use them really anywhere around your house. My store is well stocked on rocks, so I'm gonna stock up. I definitely need to get some more black ones, and then I'll probably get this natural stone. This is one of my favorites. It finally happened this year. We have been asking for years for Dollar Tree to give us more realistic greenery, and it's happening. Check out some of these florals that I found. They look so realistic. These are ones that I typically have to go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby to pick up. Now we can get them here. So in my next DIY video, I'm planning to make a wreath, and it's gonna be very neutral. I wanna use all of those neutral florals we found, but I also found these. This is gonna give me a little flower option, but if you're wanting color, they also have these gorgeous pink ones, and I feel like this looks very realistic. They also have a yellow and orange. Over in the electronics section, they have several new accessories. This is a keychain for an Apple AirTag. I bought something similar to this on Amazon for quite a bit more. I also noticed this phone pocket you could pick up, and they're starting to do these USB to C adapters. This is becoming a lot more popular. Over here in the kitchen section, they have several new items. These look like name brand items. It's from the brand Sweet Sugar Bell. They have these triangle multi-cookie cutters. They also have some cookie stencils where you can put numbers on your cookies or fun little designs. For summer, they have out these silicone ice trays in so many different colors. My store has this tiny little bathroom organization section over here, and they had these out last year. They were all clear. They're a little bit different this year. They have a silver lid. You could definitely paint this or even make it gold, but how cute would these be in your bathroom? If you see this organizer, pick it up. It's perfect for your closet. I use it in my closet. You can put bags on it, headbands, so many different items. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. Over in the storage bags, I've been noticing these new sustainably made bags. We're seeing them with all kinds of bags. They're saying eco-friendly. Now let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried these. Every Dollar Tree trip, we ask our favorite employees, what are the new items that we need to be showing you? And the item they said today are these bottle brush cleaners. These are brand new, out right now, and they have a great wooden handle on it. So if you need a bottle brush cleaner, this is the one you want to pick up. Let's check out what's in the Dollar Tree Plus section. They have several rugs out. This welcome rug is nice for just $5. I think last year they had these beach chair clips out. They brought them back again this year for $3, and they're really cute. Like this one has starfishes on it. There's a sunglass option, some flip-flops. If you're looking for some larger solar lanterns, I really don't think you can beat this price at $5. I don't think any of the organization is new. Like I feel like they've had these stackable containers. Last time we were here, I showed you this under the kitchen stackable mount for $5, but I feel like they're getting a wider selection of organization, which I'm excited about because I love $3 and $5 organization because it's still cheaper than I could usually get it at other stores. They have a $5 swimsuit cover up in white and black. At my store, they have a whole nother aisle of Dollar Tree Plus section, and they got out several new electronic items at that $3 and $5 price point. One of the things I saw is this folding desk mount for your phone. I have something similar that I have off of Amazon that is more expensive than $5. Another exciting thing is this motion sensor light. You could put it in a cabinet or somewhere where you just needed light, and I love that it has the motion sensor. This one is a wireless LED light that you could get. When it gets close to summer, you can find some of the best toys here. Let me show you some of my favorites. Now, my kids can go through these in just a matter of minutes, but these are so fun. You fill up the water balloons with the hose, and then you have 30 different water balloons. These light up wand dive sticks are perfect for the pool. I love this little truck carrier to organize your small cars. Let me know down in the comments what items you'll be picking up on your next Dollar Tree trip, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.